In a world obsessed with innovation, one machine is rewriting the laws of movement. Meet the M1, the world's first wheeled quadruped robot built with parallel joints. They call it the lightweight monster, a robot that doesn't just walk, it rolls, runs, and redefines what mobility means. While giants like Boston Dynamics dominate headlines, a new challenger has emerged. And it's faster, smarter, and built for the real world. The M1's design breaks tradition. Instead of choosing between wheels or legs, engineers fused both, creating a hybrid motion system that changes form in real time. Its parallel joint architecture gives it more torque, balance, and efficiency than any quadruped before it. It weighs less than 40 kilograms, yet it can lift, climb, and maneuver terrain that would stop most robots in their tracks. This isn't just a mechanical marvel, it's an evolution, where AI-driven control systems mimic animal reflexes, letting M1 recover from slips, adjust posture, and optimize every movement instantly. At the heart of the M1 is a custom-built motion AI engine. It learns the environment, from rocky trails to factory floors, predicting how to move before the terrain changes. The robot's onboard sensors feed millions of data points per second into its neural core. The result? A machine that reacts faster than a human reflex and makes decisions without remote control. It's not just automation, it's awareness. The M1 isn't just a tech demo. It's designed to work. In search and rescue, it can traverse collapsed buildings faster than drones. In industrial logistics, it carries payloads across uneven terrain. And in defense operations, it scouts, maps, and reports without risking human lives. But perhaps its biggest impact is philosophical. M1 forces us to rethink the boundary between biology and technology. Because when a robot moves this naturally, when it adapts like an animal, the question shifts from how it moves to why it moves. The creators call it the next leap in intelligent motion. And if they're right, the M1 could change everything, from disaster response to space exploration. As robotics evolves from machines that obey to machines that understand, the M1 stands as proof that the future won't just walk on two legs, it'll roll on four. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's called M1.